Shall we start? Okay. Yes. So today we are going to complete chapter 3 and start the exercise also. Okay? Prithu and Prarthana. Shall we start the screen? Yes. Yes. You had written the meaning of the word fundamental? Okay, fine. So I think very less is remaining today, and then we will directly start with the workbook exercise. Okay, ready for the textbook? Shall I send that share the textbook? Okay, chalo. Standard 8, right? And page number 18. You see the textbook on the screen, all of you? Okay. The last meaning that you had written in the classwork was fundamental, meaning basic. So be ready with your classwork and your pens again. Let us start. Now, as I told you previously also, that as soon as you are born as a citizen of India, as soon as you take birth in the Indian democratic country, you have been given some of the fundamental rights, some of the basic rights. Because you are living in India, because we follow the constitution of India, you have been given rights. I think you all know what is a right. Right पता है ना आपको? हक जिसको बोलते हैं हक, राइट? तो मीनिंग में ऑलरेडी रिटन अधिकार, यस अधिकार. Fundamental meaning basic. Okay, let's do the reading part. Fundamental rights of Indian citizens are provided by the Constitution of India. In the Constitution itself, it has been told that what rights are given to the Indian Constitution. अभी जब 1950 में Constitution enforced था, the rights were already given. Let us see what are they. That was adopted on 26 November in the year 1949 but was put into use on 26 January 1950. ये भी हमें पता है that it was ready in 49 but it was enforced in 1950. याद है ना dates हमने लिखा था. Okay. The fundamental rights of Indian citizens guarantee that the residents of the land can lead a peaceful life. आप शांति से रह पाओगे, that is a guarantee given to us by the constitution. As long as they inhabit the country. Inhabit means they live in the country. जब तक यहाँ पर हो, आपको ये सब rights मिलेंगे. Okay, so write the next meaning. Inhabit. Meaning live. As long as you are inhabiting in this country, as long as you are living in this country, you can live a peaceful life as per the guarantee of constitution. Have you written the meaning, all of you? Have you written the? Okay, again I am zooming in. The individual fundamental rights of Indian citizens are most of the time similar in all the democratic countries. जो भी countries democracy follow करती हैं, almost ये सभी rights वहाँ के people को मिलता ही है. इंडिया का कोई अलग से constitution नहीं है. There are many similarities. Now, what is similar that we are going to learn? Okay. The individual fundamental rights to Indian citizens include the following. Which rights? Equality before the law. Means law is equal for all. अगर आप कोई क्राइम करते हो और प्राइम मिनिस्टर कोई क्राइम करता है तो बोथ विल गेट द सेम पनिशमेंट जो कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में लिखा है. इट इज इक्वल. देन फ्रीडम ऑफ रिलीजन जिसको हम बोलते हैं सेक्युलरिज्म. याद आ रहा है सेक्युलरिज्म? right? You can follow, you can change, you can propagate your own religion. It is allowed. Third is freedom of association and peaceful assembly. Association here means meeting. Write the next word, sorry, next meaning. Association meaning meetings. मतलब आपको फ्रीडम है, आप कहीं पर भी कोई भी मीटिंग ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते, बट इट शुड बी पीसफुल, राइट? एक जगह जमा होकर प्लान करते हैं कि कौन सी ट्रेन में बॉम्ब फोड़ना है या कौन से प्लेन को हाईजैक करना है, तो दैट फ्रीडम यू डोंट हैव। बट पीसफुल असेंबली आपके रिलीजन के लिए, कोई सेलिब्रेशन के लिए या कोई भी प्लानिंग के लिए यू कैन मेक एन एसोसिएशन विच शुड बी लीगल, विच शुड बी ऑफिशियल। अनलॉफुल एक्टिविटीज के लिए नहीं कर सकते हो। आई होप आई एम क्लियर। Okay. Then freedom of speech and expression. You have the freedom to speak. You have the freedom to express your ideas. Right? तो अगर आपका कोई भी आइडियाज, थॉट्स, फीलिंग्स, इमोशंस है, स्पेशली ये कहाँ पर एप्लीकेबल होता है कि आपने देखा होगा कि मीडिया में बहुत बार, न्यूज चैनल में, न्यूज पेपर्स में बहुत लोग आकर गवर्नमेंट के अगेंस्ट में बहुत कुछ बोलते हैं। सुना है कभी आपने? जैसे अभी देखो पेट्रोल के, अभी हाँ, पेट्रोल के प्राइसेस बहुत ही ऊपर जा रहे हैं, तो मोदी गवर्नमेंट के बारे में हम लोग बहुत कुछ सुन रहे हैं, है ना? कि पहले फ्री में वैक्सीनेशन दिया, अब वो वैक्सीनेशन का चार्जेस ये पेट्रोल में से रिकवर करते हैं, फिर गरीब लोगों को इतने करोड़ रुपए दिए और प्राइस राइज करके हमसे ले रहे। मतलब इन शॉर्ट, व्हाट इज रियलिटी वी डोंट नो। पॉलिटिकल प्लान्स क्या होते हैं वो हमें नहीं पता होगा, इट इज देयर स्ट्रेटेजी। बट एज ए सिटीजन अगर हमको लगे कि ये गलत हो रहा है, तो हम मीडिया में जाके, न्यूज़पेपर्स में जाकर हमारे थॉट्स एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं। समझ में आ रहा है ऑल ऑफ यू? राइट? एंड द लास्ट इज राइट टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रेमेडीज फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ सिविल राइट्स। रेमेडीज हियर मींस टू गेट जस्टिस। मतलब अगर आपको ऐसा लगे कि ऊपर के 1 2 3 4 में से कोई भी फ्रीडम आपको नहीं मिल रहा है, देन वो 4 फ्रीडम लेने के लिए आप कोर्ट में जा सकते हो। दैट इज योर 5th फ्रीडम। समझ में आ रहा है? एज पर द 5th राइट, आपके पास 5th राइट कौन सा है कि आगे के 4 राइट्स अगर आपको किसी भी तरह से एंजॉय नहीं कर पा रहे हो, तो आप कोर्ट में जाके कंप्लेन कर सकते हो। दैट इज योर 5th राइट। एम आई वेरी क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? Okay. So here we end our chapter. If you have any doubts, any queries, you can ask me. Anybody? No doubts? Then shall we directly start with workbook? Okay, chalo. Then get ready with your workbooks. You all should be on your page 21. I want all of you to be on your page number 21. Now, question number 1 is MCQs. Question number 2 is fill in the blanks. 3 true or false and 4 identify me. मतलब एक statement दिया है और आपको उसके ऊपर से correct answer लिखना है. All these 1 to 4 questions are objective type questions and I will be uploading all these questions, question answers in the Google Classroom. जो कि आपको कॉपी करना है, कॉपी करना। यस, वेरी गुड। आप अपने आप आंसर्स फाइंड आउट करोगे फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट बुक। टेक्स्ट बुक हमारे पास हार्ड कॉपी में नहीं है, बट वी हैव द पीडीएफ, राइट? तो हम लोग टेक्स्ट बुक में से आंसर्स फाइंड करेंगे, लिखेंगे एंड देन वी विल चेक फ्रॉम द गूगल क्लास। वहां बीच में एक आध दो नहीं आते, नहीं मिलते, तो आप डायरेक्ट कॉपी कर सकते हो, बट नॉट ऑल ऑफ देम। ओके, एंड बी ऑनेस्ट योरसेल्फ। अगर आप डायरेक्टली कॉपी कर लोगे तो भी मुझे नहीं पता चलेगा, लेकिन आपको पता है कि चीटिंग किया तो यस, पाप लगेगा। So that depends on you. Chalo, ready with page 21, all of you? Okay. Let's start with 5.1. Of which national objectives is the Constitution of India a pioneer? Pioneer means somebody who starts for the first time. जब कोई कुछ भी पहली बार करता है तो उसको पायोनियर बोलते हैं. तो इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ऐसे क्या चीजें हैं जो फर्स्ट टाइम इंडिया में देखने को मिली है, नॉट इन अदर कंट्रीज. इंडिया इज अ पायोनियर. इंडिया इज द फर्स्ट वन फॉर विच नेशनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स? दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. ओके, तो फर्स्ट लाइन वी विल बी राइटिंग डायरेक्टली इन द वर्कबुक. आगे का मैं मार्क करवाऊंगी. तो पहले अभी लिखना स्टार्ट करो. द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, आई एम डिक्टेटिंग, यू राइट डाउन. द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, C capital, of India, I capital, is a pioneer of, is a pioneer of. फिर देखो यहां पर मैंने मार्क किया है, is a pioneer of national goals and aims such as democracy, socialism, secularism, national unity, etc. Up to etc. This makes your answer 5.1. I repeat, पहले आप लिखोगे the Constitution of India is the pioneer of के बाद यहां से national goals and aims up to unity, national unity, etc. Am I very clear, all of you? Yes. Okay, start writing. Okay, now number 2. When did the Constitution Committee start its work? ये शायद आपको पता होगा. On which date did the work was started? 9. Yes, it's 9 December 1946. So we are going to directly write it in the workbook. No marking. Write down, I'm dictating. The Constitution Committee. The Constitution Committee started its work on 9th December 1946. The Constitution Committee started its work on 9th December 1946. Full stop, complete. Any doubts? Okay, let's directly go to number 3. Which national leaders were included in the Constitution Committee? अब committee में कौन कौन से important leaders है? सबके नाम नहीं लिखेंगे, only the important ones. Okay? Write down first, I'm dictating. The national leaders, the national leaders included in the Constitution Committee, included in the Constitution Committee were the national leaders included in the Constitution Committee were. फिर देखो मैंने यहाँ पर ब्लू से मार्क किया है. जवाहरलाल नेहरू, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, सरदार पटेल, मौलाना अबुल कलाम आजाद, श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी, सरदार बलदेव सिंह और फिर अंडरलाइन किया है फ्रैंक एंथोनी HP मोदी. Got it, all of you? Chalo, now 5.4. Which constitutional scholars were included in the Constitution Assembly? जो constitution में scholars थे, मतलब those who are very much expert in political science, उनमें से कौन कौन लिए थे? That is the question. First of all, write down the sentence I'm dictating. The constitutional scholars, the constitutional scholars included in the Constitution Committee, included in the Constitution Committee were the constitutional scholars included in the Constitution Committee were, जो ब्लैक से अंडरलाइन किया है वो अल्लादी कृष्ण स्वामी अय्यर, डॉक्टर BR Ambedkar and KM Munshi. Got it, all of you? Only 3. Now, number 5. Who are the chief female members of the Constitution Committee? Now we have to name the female members. Again, first write what I am dictating. The chief female members, the chief female members in the Constitution Committee, in the Constitution Committee were, the chief female members in the Constitution Committee were, see the red line, Sarojini Naidu and Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Write both the names, Sarojini Naidu and Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Can you see the red line? Okay, chalo. Now comes number 6. Who was elected as the president of Constitution Committee? Chalo, you tell me. What's the president? Yes. Very good. It's Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So, it is already written over here. Spelling up यहाँ से देख सकते हो. देखो मैंने रेड से सर्कल किया. Can you see that? पिक्चर भी दिया है. तो अब क्या लिखोगे? डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद. फिर बाकी का क्वेश्चन में से was elected as the president of the Constitution Committee. Okay? Answer which I have circled on the screen remaining from the question. Any doubts? Number 7. Under whose chairmanship was the drafting committee formed? Yes, it's Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. So write down the drafting committee. The drafting committee was formed under the chairmanship of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. I have circled his spelling below the picture. You can check the spelling. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. I repeat the answer. The drafting committee was formed under the chairmanship of पूरा क्वेश्चन में दिया है. Okay, under the chairmanship of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar is also correct. Bhimrao Ambedkar is also correct. Baba Saheb Ambedkar bhi correct hai. You can write any of the names. Okay, chalo. Turn your page in the workbook. Page number 22. Yes. Page 22, question 8. When did the Constitution Committee pass the Constitution? देखो, पास द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बोला, इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं बोला है, तो पासिंग कब हुआ था? Yes, very good. Correct. Write down. The Constitution Committee, the Constitution Committee passed, ED लिखना, PASSED, passed the Constitution on 26th November, 1949. The Constitution Committee passed the Constitution on 26th November 1949. Full stop. Complete. Done? Okay. Number 9. What is India's point of view as far as religion is concerned? Okay. Now, I think you all know religion के लिए कौन सा word use किया है हमने? Secularism, right? So, as per religion, what are the views of India? That is the question. Now, this answer I am marking. So, you will have to copy it from the textbook. It's over here. You will start from here. Citizens are not discriminated on the basis of their faith, sect, or religion. Can you see the black colored brackets I have done? This is your answer number 9, 5.9. What are the views of India for religion? तो हमारा व्यू ये है कि हम लोग डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं करते. Write it. Now comes a very easy question. At what age can an Indian citizen exercise universal franchise? Yes, above 18. यूनिवर्सल फ्रेंचाइज में टू वोट. ठीक है, अगर आप चाहो तो मीनिंग लिख सकते हो. यूनिवर्सल फ्रेंचाइज मीन्स राइट टू वोट. वहां पर आप छोटे से ब्रैकेट में पेंसिल से लिख सकते हो राइट टू वोट. एंड एट व्हाट एज डू यू गेट राइट टू वोट? 18 years. Very good. So write down an Indian citizen, an Indian citizen can exercise universal franchise at the age of 18. At the age of 18. 18. Full stop. Complete. Done? Okay. Number 11. Which are the organs of the central government? अच्छा, ये भी आपको पता है. Very good. The organs of the central, not only central government, but state government also, local government also. सब ही तीन organs है. Legislature, executive, judiciary. Right? I'm marking the answer over here. Legislature, executive, and judiciary are the organs of government. Only one sentence makes your answer number 5.11. Write down. Okay, now organs तो हमें पता चल गया. See the next question. What are the functions of the organs of central government? अब तीनों organs का क्या function है? Very good. चलो, legislature makes the laws, executive implements the laws, and judiciary maintains the law. मतलब they punish the people, give justice if the law is broken. The same answer. I'm going to mark it over here. Start from here. Legislature makes laws, executive with the help of civil service officers implements the laws, and judiciary makes people follow the law and does the work of providing justice. Up to justice. यहाँ से start करो legislature से up to justice. This makes your answer number 12. Got it, all of you? Okay, now comes number 13. What guarantee do the fundamental rights give to the citizens? ये तो अभी अभी हमने किया ताजा ताजा, that when you are born in this country you are being given some of the rights, fundamental rights. Now as soon as you get these fundamental rights, you get one assurance, you get one guarantee. Now what is this guarantee? That is the question. And answer I am marking over here. The fundamental rights यहाँ से. The fundamental rights of Indian citizens guarantee that the residents of the land can lead a peaceful life as long as they inhabit the country. Up to inhabit the country. This makes your answer number 18. Did you get it, all of you? Okay, screenshot लेके रखो. In case the lecture gets completed, you can write it later on. Screenshot लेके फटाफट. The fundamental rights, 13, sorry. This is your answer 13. Sorry. Take the screenshot.